And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the flat method. It can be used to reduce multi-dimensional arrays to one-dimensional arrays. Let me show you how it works. We'll define an array, a couple of numbers, 1, 2, 6, and this would be a simple one-dimensional array. So we only have one dimension and each number is in the same dimension. Or we can add more square brackets here. 1, 2 would be now on a different dimension than 3, 4. Let me add that to 5, 6 as well. So this would be a two-dimensional array. And if we want to get rid of the dimensions, we can just apply the flat method to the ARR. Well, let me add here as a comment the expected output. So if we would display the array, it would simply be like the original. And after adding the flat method, these outer dimensions would be gone. So we would have reduced the two-dimensional to a one-dimensional array. Let's just say we have a three-dimensional array. So let me add another dimension right here. The output would obviously be like that. So 5, 6 is now on a deeper, the third dimension, 1, 2 on the second dimension, and 3, 4 on the first dimension. If we would apply the flat method, we would get rid of one of these 5, 6 dimensions. But the second dimension will be kept and the first as well. So there will still be square brackets around 1, 2 and 5, 6. But around 5, 6 only once instead of 2 times. If we wanted to reduce the original ARR, the three-dimensional array, to a one-dimensional array, we can apply the flat method 2 times. And this can be directly written by adding a 2 right here inside of the brackets. So this would reduce the array to a one-dimensional right away. And let's just say you have an array with a couple of dimensions and you don't really know how many there are. You can just add infinity right here, and this will reduce the original array to a one-dimensional array no matter how many dimensions there are. And this is how you can use the flat method in JavaScript. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.